bansa?
Our treaty ally has been assisting us in developing a minimum credible defense posture, and that includes the maritime domain awareness and surveillance, reconnaissance, as well as intelligence gathering is part or are part of this assistance.
The President has made it clear, sir, na binanggit niya talaga ng mga spy plane at sa West Philippine Sea. Hindi po ba ito makaka-agitate sa China na talagang masyadong aggressive dito sa kanila?
Well, I don't think so. We're just monitoring what is happening in our areas, in our territory, in our ESET, and that's part of the prerogative of our country.
So, sir, pagdating ng Thursday, isa po yun sa isasuggest natin sa cabinet meeting.
I don't know what will be discussed in the cabinet meeting.
Sir, tapos you have been saying na we have been doing action to escalate the situation. Ano bang clear statement natin, sir, na parang we are asking the U.S. government to have the spy planes in service area? Hindi ba ito parang form ng another escalation?
No, it will not.
Sir, will this be formally requested sa U.S. side during the Philippine side?
Well, I don't know if there is already a plan to request for this particular request. But if a request is made, then this will be to monitor that part of our area.